Welcome to the online lecture series of heat and mass transfer. Subscribe the channel for video sessions. Here is Professor Lakshman Mane. This is a video session on non-dimensional numbers used in convection heat transfer. In this session, you will be able to explain non-dimensional numbers and their significance. Let us see types of convection. Basically, there are two types: forced convection and natural convection. For the understanding here, the image is shown of the cooling of a boiled egg by forced and natural convection. Especially here, in case of forced convection, external agent as a fan is used to force the air to enhance the heat transfer rate. In case of natural convection, the heat transfer is taking place by natural convective currents. By density difference, warm air goes up. It carries heat from the hot egg. Some other points which are mentioned here. In case of natural convection, heat transfer in which motion of fluid is influenced by natural means. In forced convection, it is influenced by external means. In natural convection, fluid motion generates as a result of the change of the density of fluid when heated. In forced convection, fluid motion generates as a result of an external source such as pumping, fan, or suction devices. In natural convection, no external factors affect the heat transfer, while external factor can cause heat transfer in case of forced convection. Example of natural convection are given: cooling down a boiled egg when kept in the normal air, loss of cool of a cold drink can, etc. Example of forced convection is air conditioning, steam turbines, etc. Dimensionless numbers. Dimensionless numbers or non-dimensional numbers are those which are useful to determine the flow characteristics of a fluid. Dimensionless numbers are categorized here into main three types based on its use: Nusselt number and Prandtl number, which are used in both forced and free convection type heat transfer. In forced convection, numbers used are Reynolds number, Stanton number, and Piclet number. In free convection, Grashof number and Rayleigh number is used. Let us discuss in detail about each number. Nusselt number. It is the ratio of convective heat transfer to conductive heat transfer. It is written as Nu is equal to HL by K, where H is the convective heat transfer coefficient, L is the characteristics length, and K is the thermal conductivity. Significance of Nusselt number is it describes the enhancement of heat transfer because of convection in comparison to conduction. That's why this number is used in both type of convection. Higher the value of Nusselt number, higher is the rate of heat transfer by convection. Prandtl number, which is the ratio of momentum diffusivity to heat diffusivity. It is written as PR is equal to mu Cp by K, where mu is the dynamic or absolute viscosity, K is the thermal conductivity and Cp is the specific heat. It is used in both type of convection. Prandtl number is used to describe thermal boundary layer. Higher the value of Prandtl number, higher is Nusselt number and heat transfer. Reynolds number, it is the ratio of the inertia force to viscous force. It is written as rho VL by mu, where rho is fluid density, V is fluid velocity, L is the distance of point of fluid from leading edge, mu is dynamic viscosity. Reynolds number is used in both, is used only in forced convection. It determines whether the fluid flow is laminar or turbulent based on the number. If the Reynolds number is less than 2000, flow is laminar. When it is more than 4000, flow is turbulent. And when the number is falling between range of 2000 to 4000, flow is said to be in transition. Stanton number, it is defined as the ratio of heat transferred by convection to heat capacity. Mathematically it is written as St is equal to Nu upon Re into Pr, or H upon rho U Cp. Rho is density, U is velocity, Cp is specific heat of the fluid. Stanton number used in forced convection flows. It indicates the degree of amount of heat delivered by fluid when there is a heat transfer between solid surface and fluid. Piclet number, it is defined as the product of Reynolds number and Prandtl number, or it is a ratio of L into U by alpha, where L is characteristics length, U is fluid velocity, and alpha is the thermal diffusivity. Piclet number is used in calculations of convective heat transfer. It is used only in forced convection. A large number indicates an advection. Advection means transport of fluid in a bulk motion. So this is a dominated distribution, and a small number indicates a diffuse flow. Grashof number, which is ratio of buoyancy force to viscous force. Mathematically it is written as G beta into bracket Ts minus T infinity into Lc cube divided by nu square, where G is acceleration due to gravity, beta is the coefficient of thermal expansion, Ts is surface temperature, T infinity is fluid temperature, and nu is kinematic viscosity of fluid. Grashof number is used in flow analysis in natural convection or free convection. Rayleigh number is the product of Grashof number and Prandtl number. It is associated with buoyancy driven flow. Its value is used to characterize laminar to turbulent transition. Used in only free convection. When Rayleigh number is below the critical value, which is about 1800, heat transfer is said by conduction, and when Rayleigh number exceeds critical value, heat transfer is by convection. Means value of Rayleigh number decide the type of heat transfer, whether conduction or by convection. So at the end of this session, you can explain non-dimensional numbers and their significance. Subscribe the channel Thermal Engineering for such kind of video sessions. Thank you.